shot on tape. Hell yeah. Awesome, dude. You cut him off. That was bad. What do we think of that? That was sick. Me and Arthur are just chilling. This is going to be the continuation of the day in the life episode of Berger. There's just been so much questions like, what's life like a motorcycle guy? And I don't really know how to answer that other than just show you know what I mean? Just fucking watch, right? See what the fuck's up. You never know. You might too be a birdie one day. Your dumb ball. Huh? Where is it? What's up, guys? Just here with the dogs. Dogs of Don's Burgers. It's gonna be the new series, new mini series in the episodes. Where we just find some dogs and do dogs. You can't be doing that. I'm gonna pick you up. Yo, what's up? Big Burger here. First time with the head cam. Let's give this a little test go here. Check this out, this gate's 800 pounds right here. I'm gonna solo lift 800 like nothing. Did it. a job done right, call Berger's Motorcycles and Lawn Care. Hell yeah! What's up, Berger Nation? Just doing a little chill evening cruise. Continuing our filming of the Day in the Life episode. Just fueled up on some gas. Gotta stop somewhere and get orca bones. What up, nation? We out of here. Starting to come out. I'm feeling amazing. Yeah, Nation, we're just dumping one back here. I was just trying to show off how cool the dump spot is. It ain't that cool, that's still monkey. Yeah, we're kind of cruising now if the weather's out. We're gonna have to go on a sick ride. Alright. The dog bombs. Evan loves Berger's Motorcycles. My road. No one goes there but Berger. Berger Nation, we're gonna do this sick little comfort cruise thing. So we're gonna run the bike, walk it, not on. Gonna close the garage, all one swoop motion. Wow, coasting down the driveway, back turning on. That's sick, Nation. That's sick. Check out the sex. This is why you got yourself one of them fucking snowboarders backpacks. Just throw shit on there, strap it to the bike, you're good to go. Just imagine someone putting garbage in like the garbage cans and then putting those garbage cans into a bigger garbage, and that's going to the dump. Alright, so we're leaving the dump. And then getting groceries is like when you open your fridge, except reverse. I'm putting stuff in the fridge, so. Look at them yo-yos. That's the way it is. Alright, next, catch you at the market.
Play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it.
Alright, Bert Nation, just got done with the market.
No, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Let me tell you.
My son's smiling right now.
Get a blister on your little finger. Baby, get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators.
Had to make sure I got some ointment. Put the fucking aloe right in the cup holder. That's how you know you're living right now.
The little faggot with the earring and the makeup. Yeah, buddy, that's his own hair. The little faggot got his own jet airplane. The little faggot, he's a millionaire. We got to
Summer hasn't done. Check that out, Bert Nation.
we got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs.
Alright, stay tuned for more. He's gonna be riding. Hit this up, bye. Alright, niggas, just cooked up some grub.
Got to move these refrigerators. Got to move these color TVs. Look at ya, look at ya. I should have learned to play the guitar. Should have learned to play them drums. Look at that
Kind of
mama.
sick little lighting spot for the, I don't know, taco quesadilla, or what you call it. It's like a quesadilla, it's just beef and cheese.
What's that? Hawaiian noises. Banging on the bongos like a chimpanzee. Oh, that ain't working. That's the way you do
yeah, I don't know.
it. Get your money for
Fucks with
nothing.
it.
Get the
Check shit
chicks
out,
for
though.
free. We got to install microwave oven.
What up, Nation?
Deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators.
Big Burger with burgers here. Going on a little crazy.
Listen here. Now, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV.
Glad to have you with me.
That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Money for nothing. Chicks for free. Money for nothing.
yeah, we're just catching up on some YouTube action. I just made some chicken salad. Yeah. Put some hot sauce and a little bit of buffalo or barbecue. Got some watermelon as well. I'm pretty much arrived. I didn't even realize I had this bandana on like this. Looks kind of cool, kind of not. Check this out.